Kawadhi nyime ni Rawere malaro kombe mag siasa mopogore opogore pachoka e yiero mabiro nobago romo chuny boma ma Nairobi ka gidwaro mondo sirkal oneni okedo kod weche mibadhi ka bende gikwedo teko mathoth ma itiyo godo e kinde ng'anyo. Rawere go wacho ni jopiny ni kod ratiro mar bago ng'anyo mamuol ma ok owinjore oketnegi obadho moro amora.
The morbid brutality we see will not stop young people, for there is a civic awakening in this country that is not going to be extinguished by bullets or batons. The exercise of Article 37 will remain our political air bombardment with which we will decimate the enemy of state-sanctioned impunity before we deploy the ground forces of young political actors, for we must reclaim the soul of this nation.
We are seeing a very disturbing culture that takes patterns from Haiti, that takes patterns from Sudan. We are not going to allow Kenya to become Sudan. We are not going to allow Kenya to become Haiti. And we are also calling on our allies, our foreign allies, the European Union, the United States of America, anyone who is watching this, do not allow state-sponsored terror in this country.